Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Today we are going to learn chapter number 9, PowerPoint. And today we will learn creating a new presentation by using themes, using templates, themes for blank presentation, inserting new slide, add text to placeholder, and insert picture in slide. So let's learn. To open PowerPoint, we have to click on a start button, and then we have to choose PowerPoint from access bar. Then click on PowerPoint. When we click on PowerPoint, the start screen will appear. It takes a few minutes to start. Okay, this start screen will appear on your screen when you click on PowerPoint. Now from here you can select the slides and make your presentation. You can select the blank presentation to make your slide, or you can choose themes from here. Themes is a unique set of colors, fonts and effects that can quickly change the look of an entire slideshow. So you can choose theme from here. Click on more themes so you can see the more themes on your screen, and you can choose it from here and make your presentation effective. Now the second thing is that we have templates. We can make presentation by using templates. Templates is a pre-designed presentations that includes custom formatting and designs. It will also save the lots of time. You can choose the themes, you can choose the templates from here, or you can make your presentation effective. So these are the themes of these are the templates presentation. If you want to make a presentation, so you have to click presentation, and the themes for the presentation will appear on your screen. Or if you want to make a educational presentation, so you have to click on education, and the presentations related to the education will appear on your screen, and you can choose it from here what you want to make. So these are the themes and these are the templates which are pre-designed presentations, and you can choose it to make your presentation effective. And you can choose themes from here. So I'm going to choose the blank presentation. When I click on blank presentation, this page will appear on my screen, and now I can see that my presentation is not very good. It looks very simple. So we can make our blank presentation also effective by clicking on this button. This is a design button, and from here we can choose different types of design for the blank presentation, and these are the designs. You can see the different designs, and we have more designs, so we have to click on design more button, and then we can choose the more designs for the presentation. So I'm going to click on this. So this is the designs for blank presentation. Now if we want to choose a theme, so we can choose theme from here. For example, I'm going to choose the theme. This is the theme. So we can create presentation by clicking on create button, and these are the layouts. We can choose the color whatever we want. So these are the layouts, and if we want to make the presentation, we have to click on create button, so this theme will appear on our screen. And if we have to choose the templates, so we can choose it from here clicking on education. I want to make an educational presentation, so I click on education, and then the presentations, the themes, the templates related to education will appear on my screen, and I'm going to choose this one. So click on this presentation, this theme, and click on create button. Then the related slides, then the pre-designed slides will appear on your screen. You can edit your text, your own text, by removing this text, and you can add your own text which you want. And if you don't need these slides, these pre-designed slides, if you need only the title page of this slide, so you can delete your all slides by clicking on the slides and press delete button. So you can click the all the entire slides which you don't want. And if you want your own slide, so click on this title slide, write what you want. This is the placeholder. So how can you write the text in a placeholder, which is our second thing to add text to a placeholder. We just have to click, and then because this is a pre-designed presentation, we have to erase the text and write the text which we want. I'm going to write the Zeal School, and then class 5. And if I don't want these tags, so I can remove these tags by erasing them like this. Okay, if I want new slide after this title slide, so we have to click on new slide. So these slides, we can choose the layout of the slides will appear, and we can choose whatever we want. These are the layouts of the slides. Now I am going to show you how to create. Now I will explain you how to make presentation by selecting theme. Click on any theme which you want, click on create button, and the title page will appear on your screen. Add the title. How can you add the text in the placeholder? So just click and then add the title, which is, I'm going to add the Zeal School class 5. Now this is the title of the presentation. So, and in subtitle I'm going to write the subject, which is computer. So this is the title page. We can add text to the placeholder by clicking on the placeholder and then write the text. Now I have to choose the second slide, so I am going to click on new slides, and the layouts of the slides will appear. So I am going to choose this one. This is title and content, and now I am going to write the title, which is PowerPoint, because we are learning PowerPoint. And now in this box we can add the text PowerPoint presentation. We can add text, or if we want to add picture, so we can add the picture. We can add we can insert table, we can insert chart, insert a graphic, 3D models, pictures, online pictures, insert videos and icons. So I'm going to click on picture. I'm going to insert picture from my desktop. I'm going to take this PowerPoint picture, and then which picture you want. I want this PowerPoint picture, so I'm going to click on this and then press insert button. Now the picture will appear on my screen. Now I can adjust my picture by clicking on the style of the pictures, the format of the pictures, picture tool. In picture tool we have format, and we can format our picture what we want. So these are the way to format the picture. These are the different way we can format the picture. Okay, so, and we can adjust the size of the picture by pressing the arrow above, and we can change the place of the picture by clicking on the middle of the picture and then move the cursor where we want. And we can crop the picture by clicking on right button and then press crop option, and we can crop the picture like this. Okay, so this is the way to insert picture on slide. So we have learned that how to create a presentation. We can learn that how we use themes, using templates, themes for blank presentation, design for blank presentation, how we insert new slide, how we add text to a placeholder, and how we insert picture in slide. And I hope you all have understood. Now your homework is descriptive question B and C, and the reference for the answer is page number 113 and page number 114. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.